Alright boys, so tomorrow morning me and GH Outdoors is going to the Louisville National Farm Machinery Show, and we're skipping school because who cares? Catch up with y'all in the morning. Hopping in the truck.
We got to remember what we're talking about.
Yep. Oh boys, we made it here. Welcome back. Finally made it after a while, but we made it.
Make it turn. See if I put the camera up.
Old 9250 axle flow, AFS connection.
Here's what I want.
Got the old 460M solids. 6M.
Does that look familiar, Gage?
Yeah, ours has toolbox like ours.
It's locked on this side. Here, I'm gonna jump. Let me get in it first, or I'll hold the camera.
Okay.
Alright.
Guys, come on now. We got other things to do.
This ain't nothing, Gage.
Oh no, this is dropping the boat.
Yep.
Has it got a buddy seat, Gage? Yeah.
That roller.
This with the roller. Or
Yep.
What kind of tractor is it going to take to pull this off?
Alright, 12 track.
Yeah.
500 horsepower, probably.
Yeah, at least.
Okay. See, here's what we're going to do, guys.
Yep, quad track. Nice air-ride seat. Really nice. Farmer Gage shaking the whole thing coming up here.
You ever photo on while they're driving?
No.
We photo.
Yeah, y'all ready to. Yep.
They're just
Nice buddy seat. Dang. Alright guys, we better hurry up. Go. That's like that checker equipment.
That's nice.
Y'all make sure to come visit the National Farm Machinery Show up here in Louisville, Kentucky. It is awesome. No way that we cross hats.
Where's the Hornet? Where's the Hornet?
I'm out of here. Actually, a motor.
Engine at the same time.
Well. Down here. This is, by the way, this is New Holland. It ain't as luxury as any other one of them, but man, it's still pretty nice.
I love that handle right there.
Yeah, I do too. So we got
That's
it.
like when it's closed. Found Echo. Echo's my favorite power equipment. So that's what we're going to right here. I love Echo. Echo's absolutely awesome. Echo and Skag. All the nice Echo equipment. Skag cheetahs, tiger cats, turf tigers. They got it. If you want it, come get it. It's here. Probably, yeah. The same. Let me hop up on it. Hey, that thing is right.
Pretty nice. It's alright, bro.
I love this, buddy. Let's go.
Let me see this thing.
So this is like all your friends.
Yeah, who asked? Let me see it.
What are they called again?
Hydraulics,
No.
lift arms,
That's PTO.
we're going to find it.
Once we go back and watch this video, me find it. Where's the room?
Hey, right there.
There's a thing.
Down there.
I will find it.
Let me sit in it.
Where's the room?
I don't know.
Hey, stop. Alright.
I don't know.
I'm not done. Hey, look at this bed.
Yeah, I know.
You can hop a bit of bed.
I'm fine. Don't push no buttons.
Look at this.
I know, let me out.
Here, go out that way. Sit in the buddy seat.
I'm good. Come on, we gotta go. I'm locking you in here. Up on the bed here. Really nice. Loader right there. Nice outfit. This thing is amazing. Looks like we got a semi down there with a tanker and a Massey, and that got stuck. Got an 8RX. Got a nice field there. Got some silage. Some nice combines sitting there. Some newer pumps. Nice sprayer. Good bin set up. Whoever built this has really good talent, really good at this. Just look at that. I still give him credit though, that looks so good. River there. Uh-oh, looks like a semi tipped over. Little farmyard there, pretty good size. Hayfield. Lime spreader. Dream house right there, boys. Dream house. That thing's awesome. Got some cows there. And a couple old barns over there. Alright, boys, so me and Gage is here. And we're just sitting here. We got them eating our lunch. His papa was over there eating lunch. and just right across from us. And it's been a good time. We're gonna get some more footage, and it's been really nice. We ate some barbecue pork sandwiches. His phone died, but he'll still get footage somehow or another. We'll figure something out. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. Got the Western on the 865. This right here's the setup. This right here's Burton Price. If you're watching this, go get you one of these. This right here is the setup. This is awesome.
Radio. This is it right
What's
here.
that do? Dude. Look. That thing is Army out. Alright, boys, I'm gonna jump in this thing now. He's gonna scoot over.
Bro, this has a radio.
Dude. This beats your gator all to pieces. Look at the foot pedal, I mean. But that ain't the floor.
Bad.
Start dumping. No.
No, you have to plug it up. No, it's already plugged up. I could actually start that with my 34 back there.
It won't even go in the gear though.
No.
Should've bought your John Deere key, I bet it'd fit it.
It will. Well, we could have drove out here with this.
Dude, this thing
Look.
is sick.
Mirrors. The bay. Look. Look. It goes up.
What does that?
Yeah.
Dude, that's awesome.
Windshield wipers. Lots. 3/6s of lots. All of it. This is it.
It's really nice. Thanks for Papa. I was looking at the other John Deere over there. Ain't he?
Yeah.
Yep. That's nice. Let's go look at it. I think he might want to look at this one.
You gonna look at tractor?
Yeah, he's right over there. Hey, let's get in this. Hopping in this John Deere right here. What is this? 4066R? Dude, this is a oversized garden tractor. This thing is what you want. Hydrostatic.
I don't like that brake set.
I don't either. But, dude, this thing fits me so good. It's hydrostatic. Well, I had that bush hog. Dude.
My turn, get out.
That thing's awesome. Oversized garden tractor. I think it's 66 horsepower. Either 66 or 40. No,
I don't like it that good. Don't sit down there.
that's fine. It ain't got a whole lot of room.
I don't like it. Nope. Mm-mm.
You don't like it?
Mm-mm.
I like it pretty good. How you get out of it?
Oh my god, cold. I call a new one.
Oh, yeah. I can't get up on it. Absolute. Oh, this is way more comfortable. What?
This is a lot lower.
Yeah. Let's go look at the one with the Western on it. Not bad, is it? It's the 3038E. 3038E. Let's look at this one. This right here is your typical decked out garden tractor. Clutch / brake.
Ow, 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 ow. I do something.
Pretty doggone nice. It's got the I think it's 60 inch. That folds up and then that goes down. This folds up right here. Should. Try it now. Huh.
I've run one of these.
Really?
My cousin also has it. It's like,
I didn't even see the canopy on it.
my cousin's motor without a canopy.
That canopy would help a lot though. Let me get on this thing.
Let me go on the front first. Let me go on the front first.
I already got on the front.
I haven't.
Oh, yeah. That is pretty slick. Seat's not made out of much, but hey, still pretty nice.
I hate that brake.
I don't like it either.
I break it too fast.
That's just a 1025R. I love 1025Rs. Now it's time for me to get on the back. Maybe not. Pretty nice. Gators here.
Hey, we already got ourselves a bag.
Grab it there.
That one. Look at this. Look. Coke.
If only them was automatic. This thing's pretty nice. I like the tan on the other one better though.
Roger, yes.
I like the tan one better in the first place.
The red is nice.
Dude, look, it's got plug-ins. It is nice.
There's it is. This right here is like that. Tilt bed? Should I tilt it?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Let's go.